Alright everybody, today we got this here Duet, the Whirlpool, and I don't know if it has any issues, but let's tear it down and see. I didn't test it or anything. Got 3 on the back there. This one does have the kick panel on the bottom. Got that board on it. The last one I had one on these, I had to like bend this part. But on this side, when I lifted it, the whole thing came. But I almost don't want it to. Oh, there we go. Put it right here. There's the answer. Probably just leave it there and not even unplug it. Take off this bottom panel. Then got 4 there. Get some of these off. We got the sensor bars unplugged. Okay, we got the backwards ones. I forgot about those. Don't know why we need to do that, but apparently we do. Okay. See what we got here. We're missing this one completely. I don't know if the shaft is bad. Here's the bearing. You know, it's funny too, because I think they were using this thing. I'm pretty sure this one was in operation. Just totally missing a bearing. It's funny how that happens. We got a caked up motor. So that's good. Got a little cement in the bottom of this one. This is always interesting to see. Like they were using this, and I wonder if it really worked very well with all that air gap there. Maybe that explains this too. Just a little bit of, you know, scorching. Did it catch on fire? A little bit of fire, a little bit of bad bearings. Let's pull this thing out. It's got a short screw and a long screw. Look at that. I'm not sure I've ever seen that on this kind before. It's like not... Is this the wrong heat element? Yeah, this is the wrong heat element. This is the first. Okay, so there's supposed to be a screw right here. Just wait till you guys see it. Maybe you already see it. Maybe you already see it, I don't know. Wait till you see this. So, you can see right there, that thing has welded itself down. And the reason it has welded itself down is because this isn't the right heat element. So they took it and they bent these to jam it in there. Just figured it would work. And it probably pretty much immediately ground it out. You see, this crimp is still here. So it broke there. Not sure if it broke when I just yanked it out of there or what, but this was definitely touching that. So this heat element never turned off. So whoever fixed this one needs to knock it off. No more. No more fixing things for you. Or learn. You can't do this. This is like the type that these are supposed to be flat, and then like they're supposed to be flat like this. This is how this one comes. We'll compare when I get the right one here. There's no screw in it because there's no screw. Like this is supposed to be flat too. Well, that's surprising. Yeah, all this stuff is still good. Like I said, they were pretty sure that they were using this. This is the thing. This is what you get sometimes. This is why I take them apart all the time, even if I get told they're working, because you never know when you're gonna get one of those, you know. This is just a giant fire hazard, so don't do that. If there's anything you get out of this channel, don't do that. Get the right one. Okay, I got the new element here. So we'll just put it back in here. So yeah, see the difference here. So look at this. These are, I guess they sort of look similar, but just having these tabs, whereas this one just pushes in. And this is the OEM element. It's got the FSP there. W1134447 for this type. So it shoves in there. And then this is an important step. Spot, you need to put a screw in right here. It's like a 1/4 inch screw. It goes through here. I don't know. Prefer to use a short one. That'll hold that in. And then looks like we need to have two down here. And look at that. See how they step that out for us so we can get to it? It's nice of them, right? Why can't we do that every time? If you guys need me, I'll be here complaining about stuff. So let's squish these things down here and make sure that it gets a good connection. Good connection is what we want here. We want it to stay there and not wiggle. Not wiggle. And we'll work on a bearing next. I know this one's green, but that's what I'm doing, so that's what's going down here today. Let's see. It's gonna be all right, everybody, or it's not. Not sure, but we will find out. We will find out here. Look at that. I heard something hitting the squirrel cage. There's like something in here. I'm gonna have to try to get that out. I think it's like a paintbrush or something. Look at that. Got a little brush there for you guys. Let's try to vacuum that out. There still might be more stuff in there. I can hear it. Sounds like we have coins in these fins too. Let's do the fins. Ooh, look at that. This dude was a guitar player. Looks like. We got space and faders. Get me some guitar picks. More guitar picks. Some dimes. That's what happened. Okay. Okay, let's plug in the sensor bars. Okay, then I guess this thing now, UI board mount thing. Probably need more for the bottom. Oh crap, I didn't. No, I never unplugged it. All right, let's see. Control on, hold to start. I don't know. If I plugged everything back in. I don't think I plugged in the door switch. Forgot to plug in the door switch. Okay. Okay, let's see. Good and quiet. It's heating up. It's hard to film that at this angle. The door open and stuff, but it is working. It's working. It's getting hot, so I'll put the top back on and the kick panel, but let me know what you think about that. Thanks for watching. Comment and subscribe.